If your Samsung Smart TV is not showing up Bluetooth devices or dictating Bluetooth soundbar and Bluetooth speakers whenever you try to connect it to Bluetooth devices and speakers, in this particular video, I will show you the cause of this particular issue and show you how to fix it for yourself. Now, one thing I have found out is that most of the people that actually have these issues are those that activated the Bluetooth feature from the service menu of their Samsung Smart TV. And after activating it, the Bluetooth feature is not able to find Bluetooth devices and Bluetooth speakers to connect to whenever you try searching, just the same way I am doing over here. Now, interestingly, the cause of this particular problem is the fact that this particular Bluetooth feature, especially the ones that is being activated through the service menu of your Samsung Smart TV, is not built to connect to other Bluetooth devices like Bluetooth speakers and soundbars for you to use on your Samsung Smart TV. Now, this is actually what I found out from one of the Samsung's experts from Samsung's official community on the internet. And the truth is that your Samsung Smart TV cannot actually connect to a Bluetooth device if it has this issue. The only solution you have is to go ahead and get a Bluetooth transmitter or a Bluetooth receiver, just like this one over here. Now, this is actually a very cheap device, and I'm going to leave a link to this particular device in the description of this video. It has a USB dongle, just as you can see over here, and basically what you want to do is to go ahead and connect it to any of the USB ports on your Samsung Smart TV, and then connect this end-to-end headphone jack over here to the USB device and then to your Samsung Smart TV. Now, basically it transmits the sound from your Samsung Smart TV into the USB dongle, and from there you can now go ahead and connect Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth soundbars, or any Bluetooth device to your Samsung Smart TV, and the sound is going to be transmitted to the Bluetooth device. If your Samsung Smart TV does not have a USB port, there are also other methods you can use to connect it. For instance, you can go ahead and use an AV cable or an ARC cable and then just connect it to the ARC port on your Samsung Smart TV, and then you should be able to use it. Another thing you might also want to use to connect your Samsung Smart TV to other devices is actually using an optical cable, just like this one over here. Now, this is basically how an optical cable looks like from end to end, and it is actually shaped like the letter D. Now, once this cable is connected to your Samsung Smart TV, you can go ahead and connect the other end to your soundbars or speakers, and then just go ahead and select the optical cable option over here on your Samsung Smart TV. So basically, you want to just scroll down and then select optical, and automatically the sound from your Samsung Smart TV is going to be coming from the soundbar or speaker that is being connected to your Samsung Smart TV using this particular cable. I am also going to be leaving a link to this particular cable in the description of this video if you want to get it. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.